Hello, friends. Today's story is not an ordinary murder mystery. Today's case is the one that the police closed, but the Haveli never did. This is the story of a place where the killer was not alive and the witness was already dead. If you are listening alone, don't turn around. It was 12 o'clock at night. It was not raining, but the air was damp, a kind of dampness that sinks into your lungs with every breath and settles there. On the outskirts of Rajasthan stood an old monsoon. Its name, the Red Shadow Haveli. Not red because of its walls, but because anyone who entered either walked but bleeding or never walked out at all. That night, inside the Haveli, a man was screaming, Is anyone there? Open the door. She's coming. The room was large, the ceiling high. Yellow light dripped from an ancient chandelier. The man's name was Raghuveer Singh, age 54 years, caretaker of the Haveli. In front of him was the main hall, and in the middle of the hall, an old wooden chair. A chair that until now had always been empty. Raghuveer's thought had gone dry. He saw on the wall of the Haveli a shadow, slowly beginning to form. The shadow was shaped like a woman, but her feet were not touching the ground. No, not today. I did everything you asked. The shadow slowly sat down on the chair. The wood cracked. Raghuveer's eyes filled with tears. Please let me go. Suddenly, the entire room turned cold. Cold that reached straight into the bone. And then, crack. Raghuveer's neck twisted on its own at an impossible angle. No hands, no rope, just one violence jar. His body collapsed in front of the chair. On the wall, something appeared, not blood, moisturized. Slowly, letters formed. Who's next? ACP entries. Morning 7 o'clock, a police jeep stopped in front of the Haveli. Local police had already cordoned it off. No one was going inside. No one wanted to. The inspector said, Sir, this case is different. The jeep door opened. A heavy voice replied, Every case is different. Show me the body. ACP R.K. Verma, white hair, straight posture, a calm, steady voice. He neither denied fear nor accepted it. He only followed evidence. The murder scene. Raghuveer's body lay in the hall. Neck twisted, eyes open, ACP bent down. Signs of struggle. Sub-inspector said, None. Sir, no other person was inside the room. ACP looked around. Windows, locked from inside, main door locked from inside, a locked Haveli murder. Post-mortem. Doctor said the neck bone was twisted with extreme force, as if someone did it in a single motion. ACP raised his head, but there was no one here. The doctor stayed silent. The first strange evidence. ACP looked at the wall where the message had appeared at night. Now, nothing was written, but the wall was wet, as if something had just moved away. ACP touched it, smelled his fingers. This is not blood, it's wet. Everyone froze. The Haveli's history. ACP opened the old file. The Red Shadow Haveli, built in 1908. Owner Rajrani Devi, beautiful, lonely, and dangerous. Between 1912 and 1920, 6 servants died in the Haveli. Every time the neck twisted the same way, no killer was even found. In 1921, Rajrani Devi herself was found dead in the Haveli's well, but her neck was straight. ACP closed the file. So, whoever is killing now is repeating the same method. ACP stood alone in the hall. Team outside. The air completely still. Then the chandelier moved slightly. ACP looked up, and in the same moment, the chair shifted slowly on its own. ACP narrowed his eyes. There's no wind. The chair moved again and stopped right in front of him. But it, on the floor, was an old scratch mark, as if for years that chair had been dragged to the same spot. ACP asked, "Why is the chair here?" Sub-inspector said, "Sir, villagers says someone sits here at night." ACP looked at the chair, and for the first time he spoke softly. "Who?" The moment ACP asked, a voice came from the upper floor. Clear, a woman's voice. "You came very late, ACP?" The entire hall turned ice cold. ACP slowly looked up. On the staircase railing stood a shadow, and it was looking directly at him. When the investigation went beyond the living, the voice on the stair, "You came very late, ACP?" The voice echoed and spread through the entire Haveli. ACP R.K. Verma didn't step back even from a second. He looked up. On the railing, there was no clear face, just a hazy shape, as if the air itself had worn the form of a woman. The sub-inspector whispered in fear, "Sir, what is this?" ACP replied calmly, "Everyone stay outside. No gun shoots, no one speaks." And then ACP started climbing the stairs. The upper room where time had stopped. The room upstairs was closed. No lock, just swollen wood. ACP pushed the door. It opened inside. An old bed, dressing table with a cracked mirror, and on the wall a large portrait of Rajrani Devi. In the portrait, her eyes looked as if they were watching every corner of the room. ACP stared at it. You can't be here. And then, in the mirror, ACP's reflection slightly turned back. ACP instantly turned around. Behind him, nothing. But now, on the mirror, there was a fingerprint. Fresh. The first living suspect, the hair. By noon, a man arrived. Name Vijay Singh, age 42. Great grandson of Rajrani Devi, the legal owner of the Haveli. ACP asked, when did you arrive? Vijay replied, last night, when I heard the news. ACP, where were you at 12 o'clock? Vijay's face turned pale. I was outside the Haveli. ACP lifted his eyes. Outside where? Vijay, near the temple. I don't enter the Haveli. The second suspect, the Tantrik. From the village, a Tantrik named Pandit Kaluram was brought. There was no fear in his eyes, only familiarity. He said, this Haveli does not belong to one soul. It belongs to a woman who never received justice. ACP said, Rajrani Devi, Kaluram, yes, but she is not alone. The first big shock, the second death. At evening, 6 o'clock, ACP was downstairs. Suddenly, a scream came from above. The team ran in the upper room. Vijay Singh lay on the floor, neck twisted at the same angle, eyes open, and this time written on the wall in blood. Liars come first. ACP looked around. Window locked from inside, door locked from inside, and everyone had been downstairs. The sub-inspector's voice trembled. Sir, now there is no doubt left. ACP replied quietly. There is no doubt now, only fear. When the investigator became the target, the direct attack on ACP. Night 10 o'clock, the electricity went out. Complete darkness. ACP stood alone in the hall. His torch turned on, and then someone whispered right next to his ear, you recognize me. ACP spun around and flashed the torch. In front of him, Rajrani Devi's portrait, but now, in the portrait, her neck was twisted. For the first time, ACP took a step back. The team breaks. The sub-inspector broke down. Sir, this is not human. One constable fainted. ACP sent everyone outside. This is my investigation. The old diary. Door to the truth. Inside the drawing table drawer, an old diary was found. Rajrani Devi's. It read, they called me mad, but the truth is I could see everything. The man who entered my house never listened to my voice. Now I will listen to theirs. On the final page, whoever is silent like me will become my voice. The biggest twist, ACP's past. ACP opened an old file. Year 1919. Raj Rani Devi case. Judge's name R.K. Verma Sr. ACP's father. He was the judge who had declared Raj Rani Devi mentally unstable. For the first time, ACP lowered his eyes. At the midnight, all the doors of the Haveli slammed shut at once. Cold air swirled in the hall, and a voice announced, "Now, only one remains." ACP looked up. On the staircase, Raj Rani Devi's full form, no shadow, no blur, a clear face, burning eyes. "Your father killed me. Now you will listen." Raj Rani Devi, this time no haze, no shadow, a complete form, white sari, a dark, old mark around her neck. Her voice was not heavy. It was calm, dangerously calm. "I am not a ghost, ACP. I am the one who was never heard." ACP steadied himself. "If you are a spirit, why the murders?" Rajrani smiled, a smile like a mother's. "I am not killing. I am collecting testimony." Rajrani Devi's real story, never on record. Rajrani Devi was not the owner of the Haveli. She was a prisoner. Her husband Raja Hardev Singh kept her locked inside the Haveli in the name of illness. The man who came inside, doctor, servant, relatives, all took advantage of her silence. When Rajrani tried to speak in court, she was declared in shame. The judge, R.K. Verma Sr., ACP's father: "They didn't kill me, ACP. They buried me while I was still alive." Why the first murder happened? The Guir Sikh was not just a caretaker. He belonged to the family of the old servants. His grandfather had heard Rajrani's screams and shut the door. Rajrani said, "The one who stayed silent in the biggest criminal, the truth behind Vijay Singh." Vijay Singh was not a rightful heir. He had started selling the Haveli's land. He had burned all documents. Rajrani whispered. My voice was being erased again. ACP questioned. ACP asked quietly, "Then why me?" Rajrani stepped closer, near his eyes. "Because you can listen, and because your father made the final judgment, the final truth." ACP's trail, Rajrani spoke. "I will not kill you. I will give you what I never received, a chance." The walls of the Haveli began to shake. The hall dissolved. ACP now stood inside a courtroom. 1919. Rajrani Devi in the witness box. Behind her, the man who silenced her. And on the judge's chair, ACP's father. Rajrani's voice echoed. "Speak now, ACP. If you were the judge, what would you do?" ACP's decision. ACP closed his eyes, spoke slowly. "I would hear the evidence. I would hear the woman's voice. I would not call her mad just because she was afraid." The courtroom trembled. for the first time. Tears rolled down Raj Rani Devi's eyes. You are the first man who said this. The ghost final act. Rajrani raised her hand. Names appeared on the walls of the Haveli. All the men who had silenced her, and one final name, R.K. Verma Sr. She said, "You can't punish them, but you can reveal the truth." Morning 5 a.m., the Haveli opened. The doors opened on their own. Police rushed inside. ACP walked out. The Haveli was silent. No voice, no shadow. Epilogue. The Price of Truth. 3 months later, ACP Verma made a sealed case file public. The Rajrani Devi case. The nation erupted. His father's reputation collapsed. ACP was suspended. He said only, "Sometime the price of justice is the chair you sit on."